again. I'm doing a little bit of an experiment today. A couple of weeks ago I started baking a keto pound cake, and I've been trying a couple of different variations, one with lemon and one just a plain one. They're both really delicious. And I love raspberries, so I'm going to try this one with raspberries. I don't know how it's going to go yet because I've never made it before, and I only decided about 10 minutes ago that I'm going to make it. So what we've got is 100 grams of almond flour or almond meal, and I've just got this one, so we get this from our local IGA in Australia. It's an Aussie almond meal, so this is the one I'm going to try today. So I've got 100 grams of almond meal and 15 grams of baking powder. So I'm just using the Mackenzie's baking powder because this is gluten free, so if you're gluten free it'll be good for you. And we have got 35 grams of sweetener, so it depends on what you like. We don't have that much sugar. 35 grams is probably a lot for us these days. We used to have a cupful in a cake. But anyway, what I'm using is nat beer. I don't know if there's anything better, it's just what we've got used to. So I've got 35 grams of that. And some vanilla. So I'm just using vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. So that's my approximate teaspoon. Might be a tablespoon, but that's cool. I like vanilla. So I've got almond meal, baking powder, sweetener and vanilla. And I've got to cut some butter. And I need, how much butter do I use? I use half a cup of butter for this recipe. So hopefully that's about half a cup. And the other thing I need is some eggs. I've got the raspberries measured out, so there's 100 grams of frozen raspberries here. I am just using gourmet, creative gourmet. You can use fresh raspberries if you want to. Okay, so I need 4 eggs. Alright, so we've got our 4 eggs in here. Just give that a little bit of a mix. What I forgot to do is just mix my dry ingredients together first, because I do like to mix my baking powder and flour or almond meal together a little bit just so that it distributes nice and evenly. But if it doesn't rise much, I'm just going to have to suck it up. A little bit more than half a cup. So I am only going to put the half a cup of butter in there. And give it a mix. So there's my cake mix. Hopefully it's going to taste all right. It's all right. And my raspberry. Shit. I'm not even going to edit this video. I'm just going to leave it in there. Got to have some fun in the kitchen, right? Alright, so the raspberries are just mixed through, and I'll go and grease my pan. See if I can do that without creating an accident. A little bit of baking paper that I prepared earlier, so all I'll do is just fold the edge over on that. There you go. I believe I dropped that bowl. I don't usually do shit like that, or things like that. Of course, if this cake doesn't turn out, nobody's ever going to see the video, are they? So let's see what happens. It looks a little bit grainy to me. I don't know if that's because I'm using a different almond meal than what I'm used to. Could be just because it doesn't want to work out for me today too. But anyway, here we go. So we've got the raspberry mixed in. This is going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees in a fan forced oven, and then I'll see how it goes. I expect it might take a little bit longer because it's more wet than I usually have it, but we'll see how it goes. So it's time to take the cake out of the oven. Hopefully it's all baked and everything. It's been in for about 40 minutes now because I checked it earlier. It was still a little bit wet. So 40 minutes I've had it in there. And that's looking pretty good. So it's come out nice and dry. Hopefully it'll taste good. Won't be a second. I'll just leave that to cool for a few minutes in the pan. I'll turn it out and I'll wait till Chris comes home and see if he likes it, and then we'll let you know. Okay, so the cake's cooled down and my guinea pig's just arrived home, because with anything new I like to have a guinea pig to try things out. So come on over, guinea pig. This is Chris.
Great. Looks nice.
Let's have a taste. It's nice.
Can I ask what is it?
It's a cake.
Okay.
I like to be secretive.
I'm better off not knowing.
You are, yeah. Just close your eyes. Whipped up a bit of cream.
Okay. Raspberries in there?
Yep.
Oh. Looks good.
Well, let's hope it tastes good, because if it doesn't, it's not going to be saved. There you go.
Thank you. Do I try some now?
Yes. So if he drops dead on the spot, we're not watching the video.
That's good.
Yeah,
I'm impressed,
good.
as always. Thank you. I'm
All
gonna
right,
eat
so
this.
it's a winner. It is a delicious raspberry cake. That's what we're calling it.
Fabulous.
Awesome.
Is this good?
Yeah. So how rude am I? Here I am cutting the cake for us, and I didn't even show you what this looks like on the inside. So. Nice beautiful strawberries on the inside. And there you go. A winner!